Hey guys, yeah, I'm back from eating lunch from school, and I got the A60. I made a little short video, and now I'm gonna review it and unbox it. This is the mouse. Pretty big, so cool. Now, it's time to open it. Wait. Wrong mouse! Yeah. Let's open it. Get this crap out of here. Yeah! Oh, yeah, okay, no. Let's open it. I'm so bad, I'm so bad. Okay, I will not ruin box because I love it. How do you open this thing? Oh my god. How do you open this? Ow! Oh my gosh. Oh, right here. No, I'm gonna just use scissors. Wait, let me just log in into the PC. Okay. It's gonna be kind of hard. Sorry for background noise again. You'll probably hear a lot of background noise. Damn, it's so hard. Open. Dang. Okay, I almost got it. Okay, there. Oh, wait. Can't ruin the box yet. I can't ruin the box. Alright, let's take this thing out. Of course, you know the stuff, right? You got the stickers, you got the warranty card. Here, let me just put this down on my desk again. And of course, you got the mouse. Weapon software, yeah. Okay, oh yeah, I don't have no mouse attached. Okay, so let's take this out. Oh my gosh. Look at the mouse. It feels so good. I can drag click on it. Yes, of course, it's a drag clicking mouse. Okay, let me put this stuff away. Okay, let me put this back. Oh my gosh, I need to close the box. This video is gonna be too long. No, okay, I have to do this quick. Come on. Okay. Close the box. I have to pick. Ow! Okay. I keep hurting myself. Let me get my other box from my A60. Gave it to my brother. For temporarily, kinda. I don't know. Okay. Let me put that here. Oh my gosh. So much stuff. Jeez. Yeah, my brother just came in the room, so, yeah. Oh, wait, no, that's my mom. No, you don't need to, hear that. Alright, to plug this in, but I need to take out this Velcro and just do that. Take out you don't need to see the scissors because I already used them. And yeah, here's the mouse. Pretty good mouse. Has a good sliding place. I can put tape under it if I wanted to. And let me plug it in now. Oh my gosh. Okay. Plug it in. Plug in. Wrong way. Alright. Now, here it is. Pretty good. It feels like I don't know how to say it, but it feels pretty heavy. Oh yeah, it feels heavy. If I can compare it to my A90, it would just be jeez. Okay, let me put this on. No, I'll throw it away. First, let's try this mouse out. Yeah. Close Discord, please. How long is this video? Oh, it's already been 5 minutes. Alright, oh my gosh. Why did my mouse go off? What? Oh no, okay, it's back. I can drag click on it without. It's gonna be pretty good. Okay, let me throw this trash away. Let me just open up Lunar. I might have to do a part 2 of this because it might be a bit too long of a video. Let me throw this away. Alright, I'm back from throwing that trash away. Feels very heavy. Feels like, let's try my M652 Red Dragon. I don't know if you can see it. Focus. Camera focus. Please don't say anything. I'm recording. I don't know if the switches are light. I mean, they're optical switches. I mean, yeah. I'll probably put some tape on the mouse gates right here, so then can maybe, what is it, not hold mouse, not hold mouse, drag click. But yeah, it feels like a pretty good mouse. And I got it for 40. I got it from the wait list. I got it for $40 from the website. I've heard that it's a quadruple mouse. Oh my gosh, this is my headphone wire. Yeah, it looks like a really good mouse. It feels really good. I mean, you can see you know. Here you go, and here's a full hand cam, but without the screen seeing it, you can only probably see a little bit. And the screen is wobbling. Oh my gosh. Alright. I opened up Lunar too much. Yes? I'm recording, please. No, in a bit. No. Okay, sorry about that. My mom had to call me for something. At this time while I'm recording, she had to call me. Okay, I'm gonna continue to do a part 2 video because I don't want this video to take so long, and like I don't want to try to cut it in half. So yeah, I'll continue this video once I launch my Lunar. Alright, see ya.